Welcome to Vlorish. We are so excited to show you how you can get the most out of this amazing app. Now, let's dive deeper into the various aspects of the app, exploring them one by one. First up is the Accounts page. Here, you'll find all your linked accounts conveniently organized by financial institution. This allows for individual management of each institution. You can easily delete or manage an institution. For instance, you encounter connection issues with one account. You can even opt to mute specific accounts if you prefer not to receive updates beyond what's already in the app. Towards the bottom, you'll spot manually added accounts. These are accounts without any connection, which could be accounts in charge-off status or simply manual entries like tax obligations or past due amounts. Anything essential for your net worth, budget, or liabilities that can't be linked to a bank, you should place here. We'll guide you on how to add these. Adding an account is a breeze. Each account is categorized as either a bank account or an investment account. Make sure you're on the correct tab, depending on whether you're adding a bank account, credit card, student loan, mortgage, or any non-investment account. Simply click here to get started. After selecting the right tab, simply click Add Account. You'll be prompted to choose between adding it automatically, which is usually the preferred option, or manually. Opting for the automatic method will take you through several screens. First, you'll need to verify your phone number, followed by providing the necessary credentials to log into your bank. It's crucial to note that Vlorish doesn't capture, save, share, or access any of your credential information. Your privacy is paramount. Once you've added the account, it will appear here and you'll have full control over managing it as you see fit. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you found this information valuable. Goodbye.